Jesus, 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 you know how we love you. Jesus, 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 there's no one quite like you. You brought me out of darkness into your marvelous light. You turned my life around. You took me and brought me to your light. I just want to let you know that you can take control of my mind, my body, and yes, my soul. Oh, how I love thee. There's no one like thee. So please just keep me and don't you ever leave me. Where you tell me to go, Lord, I will go. You bless my mind, you bless my soul. So how do I know thee? Because you love me. And yes, you love me. You told me you love me. So Jesus, what do you need me? What do you need me to do? Wherever you want me to go, I will go for you. How can I refuse you? How can I turn my back on you? All the things you did for me, you gave me the victory, and now I'ma serve you, Jesus. There's no one like you, Jesus.